Last week you saw the survey on 5023, and now we're moving on board. It's May 18th. We've bought a boat, and we have till June 30th to get it north of Cumberland Island. This is a requirement of our insurance. Cleaning out the bridge.
Spent first night on the boat last night.
We look pretty bad.
Florida's pretty hot. Got the beer in the refrigerator for later, though. Has to come out yet, though, because the refrigerator's getting cleaned. Yeah, no, here we are. Welcome to my life.
Hey, a lot of people would like to have this life.
Yeah.
Kind of funky, a big TV just sitting there. Check out that cap rail, all painted white. That you hear is me cleaning out the refrigerator, because when you buy a boat, used, don't count on it being clean. This one definitely was not.
We're gonna get Starlink. She's not up yet. Starlink's not up yet.
There's a fairly new navigation system on board. As with our last Nordhavn, we have all the manuals and schematics. Engine hours of 6,284. Generator hours of 4,468. Wing engine 123 hours. It's a little thing, but that red ball's got to be replaced. Something's got to be done with that too. Some life vests and rain gear to sort through. We're kind of using the front stateroom as a dumping ground for now. Engine room door is in the master stateroom, which will be a little different for us. This needs a little polishing. And we definitely need a new toilet seat. Totally different shower situation.
Kimberley with breakfast.
Yeah, great.
Second day of moving on to the boat.
Third day of no shower.
In Florida. Yeah, I took the first shower in actually a clean shower last night on the boat for the first time. First shower on the boat last night.
I'm thinking that I'm self-showering. My theory was I was drinking tons and tons of water, and it was coming out of my body in sweat just as fast as it was going in.
So This is what the salon looks like. Kimberley cleaned the kitchen yesterday. I cleaned the shower. And a couple small things, but so looking at getting rid of this thing we're looking at this. We saw this on the survey, the gap there. It's where the TV was until just moments ago in the main salon. And then get down here and take a look at what's going on down here. There's an accident just waiting to happen. And it looks like it's just an add-on. And it's a whole bunch of good reasons just to take it on out, except for the screw holes and the drill holes, but that might be worth getting rid of that for a whole bunch of reasons.
So yesterday was all day cleaning. Today we're trying to empty the U-Haul. And not quite as easy as when we filled the U-Haul. We have a little bit of a walk. And it's not too bad. Everybody here at the marina has been super nice and very helpful. See, there's the U-Haul. There's the U-Haul that we're unloading. I don't think it's too bad. We've unloaded some stuff. It'll take us a couple days. Right?
Yeah. Done this several times.
Quit changing your mind and we'll just stick with this boat for 5 years. Minimum.
We'll see.
We have Eric using the hand truck. I'm using the dock cart. Dock cart doesn't come down the little steps, so Eric's got the hand truck and he brings it down and then he puts the box up there and I go on the inside and I grab the box. So he has to stand here and wait till I finish the video.
And Distin just sits there.
She actually rides in the cart. It's easier.
She doesn't do much work. No. Soaked.
Yeah, it is so wet around here. We're just dripping. So we got rid of the 2 chairs that came with the boat, thank goodness. Yacht Tech was nice enough to come take them. So now we have more room for our boxes. We have a strategy here. We cleaned the kitchen almost all yesterday, and Eric's just gonna do a little bit more. Then we have our kitchen boxes, and we're gonna try to get them put into the kitchen and out of here. And then we have our bedroom boxes, and Eric's gonna work on cleaning that while I put the kitchen away. And then all those boxes will be gone. And then we will start bringing, I don't know, maybe the pilot house boxes next.
Yeah, that might be. Yeah, we'll see. Might be correct. Yeah, the galley and the staterooms. You're saying kitchen and bedrooms.
It's my kitchen.
Okay.
And it's my bedroom.
Okay. All right.
And
Just get technical on you.
And as we bring things on, we're taking things off in the boxes because quite a few stuff was left on this boat. I guess some people like stuff left.
We don't.
Oh, I can't do that.
We don't. We don't.
No, because we have all our own stuff. We didn't have stuff, and this was our second home. It might be helpful. I can't turn the video around on me because my face is so red. I look like, I don't know. I'm redder than a tomato. Distin. Eric cleaning is only Eric can clean. More stuff.
Treasures. These are treasures. A little trash.
I am so sore. I know, I'm complaining. I shouldn't complain. We're almost done. I'm sore. This morning I woke up and making coffee. As you can tell, we still don't have everything put away here. But trying out the new coffee maker. Pretty soon I'm gonna have to actually make my own coffee pots because I don't agree with all that plastic, even though they say it's recyclable. Eric was up earlier than me. He has been taking boxes down to the guest stateroom, which I'm pretty impressed because they were heavy. I guess he doesn't have them all done. But he woke me up when he started figuring out the water wasn't working and was trying to get that figured out. So he's down there trying to get the water to work.
Got it figured out. Had a crisis that the water stopped coming out of the faucets and so forth. The house water. It was just a valve.
A valve?
Yeah, but yesterday I found spare parts to fix at least one of the pumps on the boat. So not that pump, but
do we have more than one water tank?
We apparently have 4. So really
4 water tanks?
Yeah. But I'm not trusting the gauge to show me what the tanks are. Whether if there's one that's empty, I've got. The other one's overfilling the nozzle when I'm filling them, so I know they're full. And now I've got it nicely figured out between the manifold and that tank reader where things are going. So we'll see what happens here. And the water's working now, so.
Makes me happy. We're done moving. Not really. But we have everything on the boat. My kitchen's not going to be big enough. How do you feel about that? You happy?
Yeah, getting there. Still have 4 milk carts, tools.
Oh.
Where to go.
Oh. I forgot about those. What are you doing?
Gotta make sure that we put these tools in here, that they're not on the hatch. One here, one here, one here, one here.
Where are my feet gonna go?
Well, you're gonna be till the tools get done. You're gonna be uncomfortable.
So we are getting our mattresses made. They actually are doing custom. Austin here is measuring them, making sure that they're gonna fit, and we'll have brand new mattresses. I highly recommend this company for mattresses. Time's flying. We've been on the boat for a couple weeks and we are getting farther along. So today I'll give an update. We are down to parts and tools and a few odds and ends, but I think we're doing pretty good. Pilot house is looking a little bit better. Again, parts and tools. I've got a little shredding and scanning to do. We have the Yacht Tech guys working on our dbit.
All right. Let's go ahead and connect up the controller.
Okay. Where is that controller?
It's right inside that hatch over here.
Yeah, I wonder if it was the connection here.
Okay. Go ahead and boom up a little bit. There you go. That's good.
Well, it's been 3 weeks since we got here to the boat. We have been moving stuff out. The previous owners left most of their belongings on the boat. We've been cleaning it, fixing it, and trying to make it ours. It is getting a little bit better. I showed pictures earlier of all the boxes. As you can see, the boxes are gone, at least from this space. We still have a little bit more to do. I mean, Eric's still got his battery charger up here. We've been using that kind of as workspace. That's got to go probably today. And we still have the table in for now on the couch. But yesterday we got all the carpet out of the salon and we put in some throw rugs for now, just until we figure out what we're doing. If we remove the table, then it means I'm going to need a bigger rug, but I didn't want it too big for the space. But now I'm kind of wondering if I should have gotten it bigger. Distin's not very happy because she only likes to walk on rugs. We have a ruggable in here. It came with the boat because underneath the tile is pretty messed up. So this fits perfect, and someday we will replace that. We've not removed the carpet yet from the pilot house. One of the things that I'm finding on this boat is it's not like the other boat. The other boat had big open spaces on the floor. This boat, you kind of, it's a boat. It's more of a boat, less of a house. And so Eric and I usually have to pick which person's going to go past the bed or into the bathroom because we don't both fit. That includes the galley, and that didn't happen on the other boat. But the feeling's pretty good, and these windows are huge. It is such a light boat. Join us next week as we haul out for boat repairs.
Havaseas you next time.